Hello students, welcome to the lecture of mechanical vibration. The subject of code of this subject is 502, and presently we are discussing the unit 1, and the topic is fundamental aspects of vibration. This comes under 5th semester, and my name is Professor Jawalkar, and I'll teach you something about the fundamental aspects of vibration. So let us start. So, first of all, what is a vibration? So, I can say you that if a body is having a mass and if the body is made of some material, there is a mass inside the body, and due to the mass, there is a elasticity which comes under the body. And if a body having mass and elasticity, or I can say that the stiffness, the body is distracted with some force, so it will produces some oscillation, and these oscillations can be considered as the vibration. So all the bodies having mass and elasticity are capable of producing vibration. When body particles are displaced by the application of external forces, the external forces in form of elastic energy are present in the body. Thus, any motion which repeats itself after an interval of time is called vibration or oscillation. So when a particle is displaced by the application of external force, whenever we are applying some force on a, consider a case of a pendulum. Whenever you are applying force on the bob of the pendulum, so due to that force, the internal forces uh, can react over the force, and due to the reaction, the internal forces and the external forces, the body is having an energy, and this energy tends the body to overcome to the mean position or the equilibrium position, and these conditions can produces oscillation of a pendulum, and these oscillation can be vibration. Now, vibration can be defined as simply the cyclic or oscillating motion of a machine or a machine component from its position of rest. So, as I told you that oscillation or cyclic motion of a body about its mean position is called the vibration. An important class of dynamic concern that the linear and angular motion of bodies that respond to the applied disturbances in the presence of restoring forces. An important dynamics class will concern that the linear and angular motion of a body that respond to the applied disturbance in the presence of restoring forces is oscillation, and this oscillation can be vibration. And this oscillation is created due to the restoring forces inside the body. Now, the examples of vibration are response of building structure to the earthquake. When there is an earthquake on the earth or inside the earth, the building behaves as a vibrating body. All the columns, all the beams, the walls can be vibrate, and these vibrations are oscillations due to the earthquake. Now, this is the particular vibration which is random in nature. This is random in nature, so the vibration can be at that particular earthquake. The vibration can be a random vibration. Okay. Now, unbalanced axial rotation. Due to the axial rotation, the unbalanced force inside the component, and due to the unbalanced or clearance between the axle supports, there is a vibration which comes in the axle. So this is again the vibration. Flow induced vibration of a car body when a car is moving on a road with a higher speed. So at a certain time, if the flow of air crosses the car dynamics, so there is a vibration in the car body. And the rattling of a tree leaves, whenever the tree leaves falls down, they will vibrate due to the resistance of air, and this is again a case of vibration. Okay? Now the vibration, the swing of a simple pendulum is an example of vibration or oscillation as the motion of the ball is to and fro from its new position repeatedly. So whenever a pendulum is moving repeatedly from its new position, this motion is called vibration. The main reasons of vibration are as follows. There are some reasons due to the vibration can be generated inside the body. The first one is unbalanced centrifugal force in the system. Whenever there is unbalanced force in the system, this unbalanced force will create a uniform or non-uniform vibration, or this will create a random or periodic motion in the system. Elastic nature of the system, because the body is made of some material and there is some elasticity in the material. Due to that elasticity, the system will vibrate. Now, next thing is external excitation applied on the system. Now, somehow we are exciting the system, and due to the excitation, the system vibration. Wind may also causes vibration of certain systems such as electricity lines, telephone lines, and so many things. Uh, so the external system is a reason of vibration. Thus, any motion which repeats itself after an interval of time is called vibration. Thus, any motion which repeats itself after a time or oscillate after a time is called vibration. Now, sources are characterized by their time and frequency domain properties, categorized principally as periodic disturbances and random disturbances. The disturbances which are periodic in nature, they are constant in nature, they can be considered as periodic disturbances. And the disturbances as earthquake and living pressure, the clearance, they are the random disturbances which suddenly happen inside the system. So they will create the unbalanced, or they will create the oscillations, vibrations. So this can be divided into two categories, periodic disturbances and random disturbances. Due to the effect of these disturbances, the vibration generated can be classified as periodic and random. So this is all about the introduction of vibration. Thank you very much. I hope you understood my topic.